Welcome back to Prince, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about a new stock on this channel, a penny stock with only a $600 million market cap. And I do believe this is one of the stocks that can 5 to 10x your money should everything go well with the stock. So this stock is ABCellera, ticker symbol ABCL. And before I get into this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for the latest market updates and buying opportunities. And also, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my Substack. I'll be posting some stocks I do believe can do well over the next few months, and I also call out some call options here as well. As you can see, these did 100% from when I mentioned them, so don't miss out. Subscribe to the Substack. So guys, going on to ABCellera. So ABCellera Biologics gets Health Canada authorization for phase 1 trial of dermatitis treatment. And it mentions here, ABCellera Biologics said Friday it received authorization from Health Canada to initiate a phase 1 clinical trial of ABCL 575, its investigational antibody therapy for moderate to severe atopic dermatitis. And for those of you who work in healthcare, or for those of you who have atopic dermatitis or any other skin conditions, you will know how difficult it can be to treat this sometimes, and it does contribute to people's mental health, people's self-esteem, like any other dermatological condition like acne. So it is very, very, very good they have been approved for the phase 1 clinical trial for the investigational antibody therapy for atopic dermatitis. And I do believe should this go well, this stock should absolutely rocket. And the phase 1 trial, expected to begin in Q3, will evaluate the safety and pharmacokinetics of ABCL 575 when administered subcutaneously in healthy participants. And ABCL said the therapy also has potential applications for other inflammatory and autoimmune conditions. And of course, it mentions here that shares were down 2.7% in recent trading. However, we have seen a nice squeeze following this news from the 30th of May. So since then, the stock is up around 60%, just like that. And as you can see, the weekly level, which is a very big level to overcome, has been taken out. So currently, if you're looking to get into the stock, I do believe it will be ideal to wait for another 10% decline before going heavy. You want to see the retest of the weekly level at around $3 here. So you want to see something like this, and then for the stock to take off. However, guys, the thing about these kind of stocks is long term, if a stock is going to double, triple, quadruple, it is not always imperative to wait for that 10% dip. Of course, you can just start a position and just dollar cost average away, because I'm pretty sure some people have started their position at this level here at these highs of around $3.60, and the stock saw a decline of around 50-60%, yet 50%, and people still held on to their positions or dollar cost average their positions. So it is not one of those stocks where you want to be bang on about the entry. You just want to make sure you keep up with the news and updates with the stock and making sure you don't get burned should any negative press come out. But at the moment, guys, it is looking very, very promising, and I do believe this stock can do very well in the next few weeks. In terms of targets, I'm looking at $5.48 next, and then I'm looking at high targets of around $14. So we've got this target here as well, $14, and then I'm looking at around $23. So let's see how this materializes. I'll be keeping you guys updated on this stock anytime there is big news, or anytime there's a good buying opportunity, or a big update in the price action itself. But guys, as I mentioned, this stock I do believe can do very, very well from current levels, or let's say from $3. If you were to get to $5.48, that's an 82% move. $14 is a 385% move, which is almost a 5x from those levels. And at $23, you're looking at a 7 to 8x return of investment. So very, very promising news for ABCL. And this is one of the stocks I do believe can do very, very, very well. And in terms of price action, this could be a mini Palantir. Of course, you have that big sell-off, rounded off, and then back up again like Robinhood as well. So if I just show you guys these stocks, you can see exactly what I am talking about here, where it has a big sell-off here, rounds off, and then takes off again. And also, if we take a look at Palantir as well, again, the same sort of price action as a high here, sells off, rounds off, and again, boom, it takes off like that. So that's essentially what I am looking for ABCL, and I do believe this is one of the stocks to watch in 2025 going into 2026. So guys, again, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you all in the next video.